Hi, beautiful soul. Have you ever wondered why some people just can't seem to get enough of you? Why they're drawn to you like a magnet, craving your presence, your energy, and your vibe? Well, it's not magic. It's science, psychology, and a little bit of that special you factor. Today, we're diving into the 20 factors that make him addictive to you. Whether you're looking to strengthen your relationship, attract the right person, or simply understand what makes you irresistible, this video is for you. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll not only know what makes you captivating, you'll know how to use it to your advantage. Let's get started. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about why this matters. Relationships aren't just about chemistry or luck. They're about connection, understanding, and creating a bond that feels unbreakable. The 20 factors we're about to explore are rooted in psychology, human behavior, and the subtle art of attraction. These aren't tricks or games. They're qualities and actions that make you unforgettable. So, whether you're single, in a relationship, or just curious, these insights will help you unlock your full potential in love and life. Let's go even deeper into each of the 20 factors, providing rich detail, confidence. Confidence is the cornerstone of attraction. It's not about arrogance or perfection. It's about embracing who you are and owning your worth. Confidence comes from self-awareness and self-acceptance. Start by identifying your strengths and celebrating them. For example, if you're a great listener, remind yourself how valuable that is in relationships. Practice positive affirmations daily like, "I am enough," or "I bring value to every relationship." Confidence also shows up in your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. When you walk into a room, own your space. If you're nervous, fake it till you make it. Research shows that acting confident can actually boost your self-esteem over time. In relationships, confidence means setting boundaries and communicating your needs without fear. For example, if something bothers you, say, "I feel uncomfortable when this happens. Can we talk about it?" Confidence is magnetic because it shows that you respect yourself, and when you respect yourself, others will too. Mystery. Mystery is about creating intrigue and keeping him curious. It's not about playing games. It's about pacing yourself and letting the relationship unfold naturally. For example, instead of sharing your entire life story on the first date, share snippets that spark curiosity. If you're passionate about painting, mention it but don't show him your artwork right away. Let him ask to see it later. Mystery also applies to your emotional world. Don't reveal all your feelings at once. Let him earn your trust over time. For example, if you're feeling vulnerable, share just enough to let him in but not so much that you feel exposed. This creates a sense of depth and keeps him wanting to learn more about you. Another way to maintain mystery is to have a life outside the relationship. Pursue your hobbies, spend time with friends, and keep some aspects of your life private. When he sees that you're a multidimensional person with your own interests, he'll be intrigued and want to be part of your world. Positivity. Positivity is a mindset that radiates warmth and optimism. It's about focusing on the good, even in challenging situations. For example, if plans fall through, instead of complaining, suggest an alternative with enthusiasm. The movie's sold out? Let's grab ice cream and take a walk instead. Positivity also means being a source of encouragement. Celebrate his wins, no matter how small, and offer support during tough times. For example, if he's stressed about work, say, "I believe in you. You've got this." However, positivity isn't about ignoring problems. It's about approaching them with a solution-oriented mindset. To cultivate positivity, practice gratitude daily. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small. This shifts your focus to the good in your life and helps you maintain a positive outlook. When you bring positivity into a relationship, you create an uplifting environment that he'll want to be part of. Independence. Independence is about having a life outside the relationship. It shows that you're a whole person on your own, not someone who relies on a partner for fulfillment. For example, pursue hobbies that excite you, spend time with friends, and set personal goals. Independence also means being okay with doing things alone. Go to that concert, take that class, or travel solo if he's not available. When he sees that you're thriving on your own, it makes him want to be part of your world. In relationships, independence prevents codependency, which can suffocate a connection. For example, if he's busy, use that time to focus on your own interests instead of waiting around for him. A healthy balance of togetherness and individuality keeps the relationship strong and exciting. Kindness. Kindness is the foundation of emotional connection. It's about showing empathy, compassion, and thoughtfulness in your actions. For example, if he's had a rough day, surprise him with his favorite snack or simply listen without judgment. Kindness also means being considerate of his feelings and needs. Small gestures, like remembering important dates or offering a helping hand, go a long way. For example, if he mentions a big presentation, text him good luck that morning. However, kindness shouldn't be one-sided. It's important to set boundaries and ensure that your kindness is reciprocated. When kindness is mutual, it creates a loving and supportive dynamic. Sense of humor. A sense of humor is one of the most attractive qualities in a partner. It's about finding joy in the little things and not taking life too seriously. For example, if you're stuck in traffic, turn it into a game by making up funny stories about the other drivers. Humor also helps diffuse tension during disagreements. A well-timed joke can lighten the mood and remind you both not to sweat the small stuff. For example, if you're arguing about something trivial, say, "Are we really fighting over who left the cap off the toothpaste? Let's call a truce and blame the dog." However, humor should never be at someone else's expense. The best kind of humor is inclusive and makes everyone feel good. When you can laugh together, it creates a bond that's hard to break. Active listening. Active listening is about being fully present in conversations. It's not just hearing words, it's understanding the emotions behind them. For example, if he's talking about a stressful day, put away your phone, maintain eye contact, and nod to show you're engaged. Reflect back what you hear. It sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed. That must be tough. Active listening also means asking open-ended questions to encourage deeper sharing. What was the highlight of your day? Or, how did that make you feel? When he feels heard and understood, it strengthens the emotional connection. It also shows that you value his thoughts and feelings, which builds trust and intimacy. Ambition. Ambition is about having goals and working toward them. It shows that you're driven and passionate about life. For example, if you're working on a project, share your progress and ambition also inspires him to pursue his own goals. When both partners are ambitious, it creates a dynamic of mutual support and growth. For example, if he's working toward a promotion, cheer him on and celebrate his milestones. However, ambition shouldn't come at the expense of the relationship. Balance is key. Pursue your dreams while making time for each other. When you're both ambitious, it creates a partnership where you lift each other up. Authenticity. Authenticity is about being true to yourself. Why it matters. It builds trust and creates a genuine connection. How to practice it. Embrace your quirks and share your true thoughts. Be vulnerable and admit when you're nervous or unsure. Don't try to be someone you're not. Example, if you're feeling vulnerable, say, "I'm a little nervous about this, but I'm excited to try." Playfulness. Playfulness keeps the relationship fun and exciting. Why it matters. It creates a sense of adventure and keeps the spark alive. How to bring it into your relationship. Tease him lightly and keep the mood light. Surprise him with spontaneous gestures, like a picnic in the park. Try new activities together, like a cooking class or a dance lesson. Example, if you're feeling playful, say, "Let's have a silly dance-off in the kitchen." Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is about understanding and managing your emotions. Why it matters. It creates a safe and supportive environment for the relationship to thrive. How to practice it. Identify your emotions and express them clearly. Be empathetic and respond to his emotions with care. Navigate conflicts with grace and understanding. Example, if you're upset, say, "I'm feeling hurt because of this. Can we talk about it?" Supportiveness. Supportiveness is about being his biggest cheerleader. Why it matters. It strengthens the emotional bond and makes him feel valued. How to practice it. Celebrate his wins and offer encouragement during challenges. Be there for him during tough times and show empathy. Ask how you can support him and follow through. Example, if he's working toward a goal, say, "I'm so proud of you. Keep going." Physical touch. Physical touch is a powerful way to create intimacy. Why it matters. It releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which strengthens emotional connections. How to practice it. Hold hands, hug, or touch his arm gently. Surprise him with a warm embrace when he least expects it. Use touch to show affection and create closeness. Example, if he's had a long day, give him a hug and say, "I'm here for you." Shared values. Shared values create a strong foundation for a lasting relationship. Why it matters. They ensure that you're aligned on what matters most. How to identify them. Discuss your priorities, beliefs, and goals. Find common ground and celebrate your similarities. Respect each other's differences and work toward compromise. Example: if family is important to both of you, plan regular family gatherings together. Respect. Respect is about valuing each other's opinions and boundaries. Why it matters. It creates a safe and trusting environment for the relationship to grow. How to practice it. Listen without judgment and honor each other's boundaries. Treat each other with kindness and consideration. Avoid dismissive or disrespectful behavior. Example: if he has a different opinion, say, "I see where you're coming from. Let's find a middle ground." Spontaneity. Spontaneity keeps the relationship exciting. Why it matters. It creates memorable moments and keeps things fresh. How to practice it. Surprise him with little gestures, like planning a spontaneous date. Try new activities together, like a weekend getaway or a cooking class. Keep the element of surprise alive in your relationship. Example: if he's had a long week, say, "Let's take a road trip this weekend and explore somewhere new." Gratitude. Gratitude is about showing appreciation for the little things. Why it matters. It fosters positivity and strengthens the emotional bond. How to practice it. Express thanks for his efforts, no matter how small. Acknowledge his contributions to the relationship. Practice gratitude daily by writing down what you're thankful for. Example: if he does something thoughtful, say, "I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me." Self-care. Self-care is about taking care of yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Why it matters. It ensures that you're bringing your best self to the relationship. How to practice it. Exercise regularly, eat well, and get enough sleep. Practice mindfulness and pursue hobbies that bring you joy. Set boundaries and prioritize your well-being. Example: if you're feeling overwhelmed, say, "I need some time to recharge. Let's plan something relaxing this weekend." Communication. Communication is the key to a strong relationship. Why it matters. It builds trust and deepens your connection. How to practice it. Be open, honest, and clear in your conversations. Listen actively and respond with empathy. Address issues calmly and work toward solutions together. Example: if something's bothering you, say, "I feel uncomfortable when this happens. Can we talk about it?" Uniqueness. Your uniqueness is what makes you unforgettable. Why it matters. It sets you apart and makes you irresistible. How to embrace it. Celebrate your quirks and passions. Be unapologetically yourself, and don't try to fit into a mold. Share what makes you different and let your personality shine. Example: if you love something unconventional, say, "I know it's a little quirky, but I love it, and that's what makes me me." And there you have it, 20 factors that make him addictive to you. Remember, the most addictive thing about you is you. When you embrace your confidence, kindness, and uniqueness, you become unstoppable. If you found this video helpful, check out my next video on how to communicate your needs without feeling needy. It's packed with practical tips to help you express yourself confidently and effectively. Click the link on the screen or in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep shining, keep growing, and keep being your amazing self. Bye for now. Remember, the most addictive thing about you is you. When you embrace your confidence, your kindness, and your uniqueness, you become unstoppable. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep shining, keep growing, and keep being your amazing self. See you soon.